Let's make some pure aloe vera gel as a moisturizer and as a pre-poo. So first of all, you need to get the plant. So this is me uprooting the plants from the soil and then making sure that I can still replant the little ones. Afterwards, I cut them out of the main stem and then wash them thoroughly. You know, I always focus on washing your aloe vera if you don't want to have an itchy scalp, or you can just soak them in water for about 15 minutes. Now my aloe vera plant is ready. It's now left with me to get the gel out of the plant. So this is how I carefully get the gel. I scoop it out of the main plant and this is so juicy. This is pure virgin aloe vera gel. I transfer it into my blender and blend it for about 3 minutes so that it's very smooth because I'm not going to filter or strain it. Now my aloe vera gel is ready. You can use this as a pre-poo or use it as a moisturizer. So I keep them in the freezer so that I can use them as long as I want. If this video was helpful, please share it so that others can learn. Bye. Let's make some aloe vera oil for your hair. In this video, we will not be needing a blender. When you get your aloe vera, as usual, do well to wash it thoroughly and then pat dry it. Slice them into thin slices and then fry it in an oil. I'm using coconut oil in this video, but you can use olive oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. Fry it to the extent that you can clearly tell that the water in the aloe vera or the gel is dried. I added moringa powder, which is very optional. You can decide to add any powder of your choice. Let it cool down and then strain it. We are organizing a 30-day hair care challenge for you and your hair. If you are struggling to grow your hair keeps breaking, you don't understand the right things to do to your hair, send me a DM to join the challenge.